Okay, so here in exercise 713, we're going to talk about centering a page. So I'm going to go back to print preview here really quick so you guys can all see what I'm talking about. And if we go to the print preview, you're going to notice that we do have our repeats, but man, that's definitely not centered on the page. You definitely see that that's a little bit closer. And then we have this one. But you can definitely tell in the first page that this content is not centered over the middle of the page. And if you got a little of the OCD like I do, probably going to drive you nuts. So how do we fix that? So although you can change the left and right margins to make a page appear centered, right? We could adjust the left and right margins to make it look like it's centered. Excel also has a centering worksheet for both the text horizontally and vertically on the printed page. And centering will occur between the margins that you created. So go to the page layout tab. So we're going to start in our normal view, and we're in page layout tab still. And there is a section called the custom margins. So we're going to go to margins, and we're going to choose custom margins. This opens up this dialog box. I wish it was like Word where it had a shortcut, but it doesn't. You just have this option right here at the bottom of the page setup dialog box. Let me go back to that again to explain how I got to that, okay? Because you're going to use it a lot. It's in the page layout tab. It's in the margins button. You'll find it in custom margins. You're going to click the margins tab. And you can see all the margins that we've set. And you can even see this little space that we have right here where my cursor is going up and down. But we're going to center this on the page, and you're going to see the preview, and now you can tell that the margins are a little bit better. Go ahead and click vertically as well while we're here. Change the left and right margins to 0.5. And you can click print preview to get a really good idea what this is going to look like. But now you can see we got rid of all that white space that was over there in that right margin, and our document is now centered vertically or between the top and bottom margins as well. And this goes for the entire document. So you see it on page 2 and on page 3. You can see that we've really cleaned this worksheet up quite nicely. That is centering a page, exercise 713. Save it as 713. Keep it open for our next exercise. We'll be there momentarily.